In this video I paint a wild style piece which didn't come out as wild as the sketch, but it was still fun to paint, and that's the main thing.
No mate, no, 9-inch roller.
So there you go, that was it for this video. I had a great time painting alongside Alta. So my piece, It wasn't exactly perfect, was it? But it was kind of freestyled. I took the sketch from like a normal piece of paper, and it wasn't supposed to be crammed into that kind of rectangular shape that I kind of crammed it into. But anyway, I had fun, and that is the main thing. That is definitely the main thing for me, is just having fun, enjoying it. Even if the piece wasn't exactly how I want it to come out, that's just part of the process, you know, and just having fun is the name of the game for me. Anyway, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment if you want to, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much.